All right, guys, today we are outside because we're gonna be checking this portable solar panel. Here's what comes in the box. So here's what comes in the box. This is the solar panel. It's a 100-watt solar panel. It's portable. Here, you can see it. It's a model right there, the SP102. So the cables that it brings has 5 connections in one, 5 in one. You see it there. It should fits most of the power stations. You can see here, this is a manual. It tells you the connections, how to connect them. You can connect two of them together with a Y connector. So if you want your power station to charge faster, then you can do that. And this is the panel right here. It's pretty thin, if you can see. Take it out here. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. So it's foldable, so you can take it with you anywhere, camping, or if you're gonna go hiking, or if you just want to have it in the car just in case. It just weighs 7 pounds. It's very thin, if you can hear here. So there's specifications right here. Let's open it so you can see it. It looks when you unfold it, standing up. You can see you got foldable legs. So you just, they're Velcro in, so you just take the Velcro and then just unfold it. And then to connect the cable, it's like this. This one goes with this one until it clicks, and then the other one with that one. It clicks. Now it's connected. So you see the connection right here to my Delta 3 Classic. It's 5 p.m. in Florida here. And this is the input. So it's charging now with the solar panel, 100 watts. It will take 16 hours right now charging with your solar panel. So if you're using it, you can just keep charging it with the solar. This is bifacial, so that means that it gets the sun's rays from here and from the back. So everything that bounces from the back comes to here and is getting charged both ways. So it's getting light from the sun from this way, and then from the rays that are bouncing off the pavers to the back of it, because it's bifacial. Waterproof, IP65 waterproof, so you can keep it outside and be rest assured that it's not gonna get damaged. It's portable, energy efficient. You can take it with you anywhere. Super thin. You can change the position, so you can make it go lower if you need it to face the sun more, or higher if you need it to face the sun in a different height. So you're looking for a panel that you can stack. If you have one, you can connect it to another one with another connection. Then you'll have 200 watts to charge your power station faster. This is the one. It's a great price, greatly made. Go get yours. Portable. It works right out of the box, plug and play, and you'll be safe and secure that you can get power anywhere. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. To disconnect it is easy. See this right here? There, you push, come out, push. I'm doing it in one hand, so that's why it's hard, but if you have 2 hands, you'll be fine. Push, and it's compatible with a bunch of power station, Anchor, EcoFlow, and a whole bunch of them, 95% of them. So definitely recommend it. Great price, great product. Go get yours.